So when I got home, I snapped. I wasn't even planning to do any nails that day, but the ideas kept coming back to back out of nowhere. So I had to do these before I lost my train of thought. Because what I'm saying is I literally snapped. I made this a series because I did them all in one sitting, one right after another and another and another. I was in a flow that just wouldn't stop. And I know it was a natural flow because I never got tired. Hey everybody, hey NailTubers. So this is part 3 of my snap series and there is more to come. So here are my long stiletto display nails that I am still so excited about having. For this collection, I'll be using a dark orange from the Secret Garden collection by Modelones and also 2 other Modelones colors. This tan is called Classical and the gray is called Dancing Cinderella. I also have this floral nail foil that matches with the colors that I've chosen for this set. So for this set, 2 of the nails will be that dark orange, which I think is so beautiful. This color to me is fitting for summer as well as during the fall, so I can't wait to use it in a fall set sometime later. Then one of the nails will be gray. Another nail I had planned to do in that tan classical, but you'll see later that something happened with it and I had to have a change of plans. And then the middle nail I'll be doing the foil on. I had been having so many computer and editing issues, so either I lost the footage when I polished the tan nail or it got accidentally deleted when the program kept shutting down. Either way, I think it's still easy to follow, right? So here the issue with the tan classical polish was it had wrinkled, and I started polishing a second coat over it, hoping that it would resolve like it did in a previous set, because it was totally cured, but this time it didn't work. That's why I was explaining before that you have to keep practicing and continuing to look for different resolutions. This is XKJ Star Glue. I got the idea of this from Loved by Verdie's Nails, where she did a comparison video. You really should check it out. So through her recommendation, I have purchased this glue. And let me tell you, you just wait and see. Watch, watch. Look at this. Did that not come out perfect or what? I am so happy with this glue. In fact, I used it again and it has not disappointed me. The only thing I will say is there was a different experience and issue in using with metallic foils. So I believe metallics are going to need something different. So here I've shown you that the second coat didn't work over the wrinkling like it had before, so I decided to take that nail totally away and get a new one and start an ombre for this set, which I think worked out even better. Look at me. I just had to make certain that bottle was turned and facing the right direction. I've mentioned this about ombre before. It may look like I'm doing the most here, but I'm really not. Just keep doing it with feathery touches and make certain that the polish doesn't continue to build up in the feather tips of the brush. I think using the matte finish on one nail is starting to become a signature move. But I decided to do it on 2 nails here. I must have been thrown off by the nail polish that went bad and missed the glossy top coat on the foil nail. But don't you forget. Now this right here should really show why I love so much to throw in that matte finish nail or two. Look at the contrast. Now, I know that I didn't show at the beginning of the video that I would be using acrylic. I wanted to see how the colors would turn out together first. Creating 3D acrylic nail designs can seem rather intimidating at first. It's taken me a while, but you know what? It's not as difficult as it seems. But if need be, you can always modify this look by using a white gel polish or even stamping. So here I'm going in with builder gel, and I will be adding various sized clear stones as well as, believe it or not, I was shocked to see that there were orange stones in that old wheel that I have. I was really excited about that, and they match the set perfectly. I am loving the fact that with every little turn of this nail, it just keeps twinkling. It's so bedazzled. I'm now adding a few touches of the dark orange just to unify the primary color of the set. Who would have thought that these colors look so good together? Oh my gosh, I am really liking the way this turned out. I would have never used orange with gray, but just look at it. I am loving every set that I've done in this Snap series so far and hope that you have been too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there's more of it to come. Thank you so much for watching today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.